A friendly warning, this video is kind of like messy, a bit all over the place, and the reason for that is because I had a very short layover in Doha for about 50 minutes before my next flight to London. So I decided to use that 15 minutes to walk around the airport and take short videos, and used those to create this video that you're watching right now. You see, it's really beautiful, but a bit all over the place. Oh, damn. Look at that. Whew. Yes, this is in Qatar. So, in the meantime, enjoy Ahmad International Airport. I promise to go back later in the year and take a proper video. Ciao. You are almost at the end of this video, and thank you so much for watching until the end. You've seen how messy it is, but it is a beautiful video nevertheless. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I've been told that when you subscribe to the channel, it goes a long way in this YouTube thing that I'm trying to do. Anyway, bye.